And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in sunny Cheshire at the SimplyDiag Community Hub. It's I think it's about 6:30 in the morning. Been here sorting out, tidying up, shifting cars around. Yeah, Chippy Friday, awesome. We've got the Harmonic Motion podcast playing in the background. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got Harmonic Motion podcast playing in the background. Let me just turn that off.
Businesses that were there from a website perspective.
Yeah, on the current episode, we're just finally finding time to listen to it. It's Jim Lang from Garage Services Online this week with James. So I've got that playing in the background. Finally got Dags' A3 in, so we're going to get to a final point here on this now today with a definitive diagnosis on the door. The other A3 went off yesterday to its new owner. New J519 cured that. Word to the wise though, plug number A, the one that's right at the very, very front in the bowels of the dashboard, make sure that plug's plugged in properly. Yeah, I wasted a bit of time yesterday. Yeah, I did. Didn't me wrinkly old hands didn't quite get the plug in, so I thought I'd misdiagnosed it, but I hadn't. I just hadn't plugged it back in properly. I'm only human. What we got going on? Got number 9 on over there. Just updating all the tools. Nice chilled day. It's been absolutely manic here over the well, not here, but I've been absolutely manic over the last month or so. And finally got a nice easy day. Got this one diag job in today, and then we're going to have a clean up. Got fresh water in my mop bucket. Morning, Christoph. Fresh water in me bucket for me benches. Going to mop my benches down, do all my sofas and my chair. I've got a bit of the Top Don sign now. It's been up a while now. The Top Don banner seems to have stretched out, so we'll put the final fixes on that today as well. Bit of hoovering up in the VIP corner. Bit of updating, and yeah, life is good. This was the troubleshooting tree that I did, the 4 rights tree that I did for the A3. Just kind of helps me visualise what I'm doing. Brilliant process that, courtesy of James Dillon, Technical Topics, of course. So yeah. But it's going to be an absolutely cracking Friday. Can't wait for the day to get going. Can't wait for the sun to pop up above that building. I'm not logoed up today. I'm going to have a nice casual day. Just a bit of mooching around. Got some work to do on Thunderbird 5. So we've now got an ABS fault on this. A city safety, whatever it's called, city safety pedestrian avoidance thing, fault on it. Morning, Keith. ABS faults. So, and it's coming up as mechanical fault. Obviously, I've got to diag it first, but it looks like we might be getting the Pickler Tools tool truck down here to come and shoot a couple of videos on wheel bearing replacement using the Pickler bearing tool. Can't wait for that. It'll be a really good video, that will. So watch out for that one. Thunderbird 2, she could do with a service. Thunderbird 5 could do with a service. Who knows? Stevie might be getting some oily hands over the next few days. Let's see. Morning, Daniel. How are you, mate? Morning, Andy. Yeah, who knows? Let's see. So, anyway, have I missed anyone? Let's have a look. Have we missed Christoph, Keith, Andy, and Daniel? No, not missed anyone. So, whatever you're doing today, have an awesome day. If it's your birthday on Chippy Friday, bonus. Have an awesome one. If it was your birthday yesterday and I missed it, happy birthday. And if it's your birthday this weekend, well, say no more. Have one for me. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.